Welcome to Embird UK. Without further ado, let me show you how to go about the process of installing Embird 2020 on your Mac. So the first thing you need to do is you need to navigate to our website embird.co.uk. Once you're on the main home page, you simply just go to Upgrade 2020 and you will see Download Embird. Simply go to Download Embird. When you scroll down towards the bottom, you will see a tab here that says How to use Embird on a Mac. So when you expand the tab, you will see all the instructions here of how to go about the installation process of Embird 2020 on your Mac. And you can see that you're going to need two applications here. You're going to need XQuartz and you're also going to need Wine. And here's the whole process is explained to you step by step. However, what I'm going to mention to you is that Embird is native to Windows, and for that particular reason it may not always work on Mac. So what you can do is you can try to follow the steps here and see if that actually works for you. But if it does not work for you, what I'm going to suggest is to download Windows onto your Mac through Boot Camp. You can also make use of Parallels. I just used Boot Camp. It worked perfectly fine for me, and the process was very simple because there's loads of instructional videos on YouTube that shows you step by step how to install Windows on a Mac. The only problem now is the cost of a license key for Windows. Last I checked, it was £220. That was for the professional version of Windows 10. And I think the home version of Windows 10, the license key is not much cheaper. However, I've got very good news for you. I found a legitimate website, a legitimate company, you can go and read about them on Trustpilot, that sells Windows license keys for only £20. I'm talking about the Pro version of Windows 10 here. Now you may want to ask the question, so what's the catch? The only catch here is that the license you buy from them is only for one device. It's not transferable. And that is the only catch. But the difference between paying £220 and paying £20, I'm more than happy to pay the £20 to be able to use Windows legitimately on my Mac. And in doing so, you're also able to install Embird, and you will have no problems whatsoever running Embird on your Mac. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.